Adding Disney Plus gift card. In today's video, you are going to learn how to add Disney gift card to Disney account. So let's get started. First, physical Disney gift card. Visit the Disney gift card website and click on redeem a gift card at the top right corner. Now enter the card number and PIN. Scratch off the security strip on the back of your physical Disney Plus gift card to reveal the 16-digit card number and then 4-digit PIN. Enter both accurately on the website. And if you have a digital Disney gift card, open the email containing your digital gift card. The email you receive upon purchase should have details about your digital gift card, including the 16-digit card number and CVV code. There should be a clear button or link within the email itself. Link my gift card, click on it. You will be redirected to a Disney account login page. If you already have an account, log in. If not, click create account and follow the instruction. That's how you will be able to add Disney gift card to Disney account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.